Alright, well hey, and welcome back. We've got the blues bass riffs here, more of the blues bass riffs today, and the smoking hot blues bass riff we're going to go over today. So if you don't know me by now, I'm Donald Witt, the bass instructor for the How to Play Bass online course at iwanttoPlayBass.com, and that's where we're teaching aspiring bassists every day to reach their goals. So subscribe, get your free ebook there when you subscribe, and when you want to get serious about it, sign up. Enroll and get started embarking on that bass playing journey. So like I said, today we're going to go over the blues bass riffs and the smoking hot bass riff. So today we went over the bass line, the blues bass line, in a previous video, and I'll leave it in this link here. Now today's bass riff is just going to be that right there, and that's basically working off it's like I've used the minor pentatonic and the major pentatonic, but this one today is just going to be basically the first half of the Mixolydian scale, and because in the 12-bar blues, all of their dominant chords, that's what makes it the blues, that's what gives it the distinct sound as the blues, are those dominant sevenths. And we're actually not playing it in that lick, but it's the Mixolydian scale today, Mixolydian mode, and that's in F. And we're in the key of F, but it's an F7, so it's flatting that seventh, major seventh is a minor seventh, so it's making it a giving it that dominant seventh sound. But so the lick is just, we go here, we go, so it's just G, G, A to C, and then back to A, and we slide into the B flat, and then we drop down to the low G, and giving it just that low G there, the ninth, and we slide up to the C, and then back to the B flat. So it's just and then we take it from being in that position there, we start the bass riff up a little, up an octave. Basically we start down here, but now we're going to be here. So let me run through it one time, and I'll show you the bass riff. Okay, so it's just going to be like this: 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. That one's pretty easy. The first bass riff is pretty easy, but it's nice. It's very colorful with we drop down to that. So very melodic line there. So you want to incorporate that Mixolydian scale as much as you can. It's a nice colorful scale, and it's definitely helpful. But like I say, we just utilized the first half of that. We didn't carry it up to the seventh. We didn't throw the seventh in there or the sixth or anything. So it's something, take your time. You know, that's why I start off with slow tempo, and Just go from that F. You're basically F is the one note. Alright, so I'm going to walk you out on it. I'm going to go through the first time without any bass riff, and then the second time around we'll throw the bass riff in there, okay? Alright, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool little bass line there, cool little bass riff. Not a whole lot to it. Just work on that. You just want to make sure. It's kind of hard. The muscle memory is what you want to work on, and you've got to build muscles in these hands. So play it over and over. That's what the blues is so great. If it's something that's enjoyable and you can just play it all night long, just keep on playing, and you enjoy it. It never gets old. So when you make this transition here, it's usually easy to just go up to your third finger. You can go to the pinky, which makes sense there, but then this little jump here just makes it a little harder leading with that pinky. But work on it, build it, get it right, because you don't want you want every finger to be as strong as the other finger. So you can definitely get away. Just go here. But if it's easier, go ahead and push yourself, challenge yourself a little bit to use that pinky finger in that instance, so you can strengthen it, or you can, if you're at a moment's notice and you've got a gig and you're just warming up, just to get away with it right now, go ahead and slide up to the third finger. Subscribe down here, leave a comment, hit that bell notification, because I've got lots more videos of this. This is your blues bass riff central here, okay? So check it out. Look forward to hearing from y'all. See you.